Hey guys, welcome. My name is Kendra and today I thought I would share with you my apple cider vinegar recipe and rinse that I use in my hair to help break down excess buildup of product in your hair, to prevent flaky scalp and also to promote a really nice shine to your hair. And following the recipe, I will show you how I incorporate it into my weekly wash. So let's get started. I'll get the recipe right now.
Okay, first of all, get yourself a bottle. I like to use an old source bottle because the nozzle top helps to make it easier to apply to my scalp. Or you could use an old water bottle with a twist top, or grab an old soft drink bottle and make a hole in the lid. To make your rinse, add 1 cup of water. I use cooled water from the kettle. Next up, grab your apple cider vinegar and give it a gentle shake because it settles at the bottom of the bottle. Add 1/3 of a cup to your bottle and make sure you get the apple cider vinegar with the mother in it. This next step is optional and I'm adding 3 to 4 drops of tea tree oil because I read that it's good for flaky scalp and that's what I'm trying to combat. It also masks the smell of the apple cider vinegar, or you could add any other essential oils you like, or simply just leave it out. Pop the lid back on and give it a gentle mix.
So how easy is that? So I currently wash my hair twice a week and I will use my apple cider vinegar rinse on one of those washes. I use it directly after my shampoo and I use this shampoo. Then I'll put my rinse on directly onto my scalp, give it a quick massage and then clip all my hair up with my crocodile clip. And I'll leave it on for 1 or 2 minutes while I'm showering. After that I'll give it a quick rinse, make sure I massage my scalp again, and then pop on my conditioner and continue with the rest of my washing routine. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a big thumbs up if you liked it, or a thumbs down if you didn't, and leave any comments in the comment box below. And I'll see you on the next video.